Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to do a fun fall set, and I absolutely love this set. This was kind of all over Pinterest when I was looking for fall sets to do and I was trying to get inspiration, and literally there was so many so many pictures of this, so I don't really have one that I looked at, but go on Pinterest and type like fall nails and you'll pretty much find this. So I am taking Ugly Ducklings 43, I believe. I think 42 is white and 43 is the black, whatever their black polish is. And I am coming all over the pinky. And then I'm also going to do my pointer finger. I did have a previous set on, the shell nails, which I took off to film my next set. So usually I try to get all up in there, but you know what? I just wasn't doing it this time. So I took down the color, and then now I'm coming in with this design. I did wear this design for quite a while, actually. I really enjoyed it, and we're in the middle of August. By middle, I mean September 8th, 2020, y'all. So again, putting that all over the nail, giving that a full cure, and I only do one coat of that. I'm taking Talk Dirt to Me, which was the original color, which I probably didn't have to take it off this finger, but I did. So I'm going to apply a very thin layer, and if you notice, I take my brush a little bit before the free edge or before the cuticle, push it down, and then I walk it down the side, not really worrying about the middle too much, kind of walking it over, dragging it, walking it over some more, dragging it. I think I'm wiping off that purple. Yeah. And then I just bring it down the nail, trying to keep it as thin as possible, but also getting really good coverage, because what I'm trying to do is, if I have such a good foundation, then when I come in the second coat, I don't have to be as precise. I know that sounds terrible, but it's first coat really kind of gives me the palette I'm working with. So we're taking Relay Gray, which is one of my favorites. I absolutely love this color. I got this maybe 2 years ago, and it's tried and true, I have to say, for fall, winter, anytime. Light gray, this is it. So again, started from the back fourth, pushed it towards the cuticle, dragged it down, and then I walk the brush down the side of the nail, because you don't want to touch the cuticle. I have touched it plenty of times, don't get me wrong, but do your best not to. And once you get a kind of outer rim that you like, I like to drag it down the nail to kind of give it a little bit more of a full coverage. Now we're just going to do our second coat, because I like these to look nice and opaque. Even though we're going to be stamping over these, you still want to have a really good foundation. Don't kill me, I don't remember this plate. I'll write it on the screen. So I do know it's their plaid plate, and it was sold out last year when I wanted it, or the year before, I don't remember at this point. Oh, there it is, CJS 56. So I am making my plaid nails, and you can see I started off with the 3, and then I actually move into the single, because I found it a lot easier to do that versus doing the 3, because I wanted it to be closer together, and I feel like I switched even more. Like, I think I went to the small one, because I did do this twice, and I'm trying to think of where I'm at, to be honest. But I make the plaid. I don't use the stamped plates. And then we're going to take these colors to stamp the pumpkin. I loved this pumpkin so much. So I took that shimmery color, and then we're gonna come in, and I'm using the small one. Okay, that's where I use the small one. Okay, I was getting confused here. So don't worry about going over the lines, because we will wipe it off. But the reason I did the shimmer base is because I can see where I'm stamping. And don't be afraid to do more than one stamp, because if you have the space, do it. And now I'm taking some acetone and just wiping it off as best as I can, and then taking the outline and then seeing what left I have to take off. So I was like, okay, I have almost the perfect side for the black. Oh, I guess I'm stamping greenery. What I end up doing is I stamp the trunk. Yeah, okay. I'm gonna pause here. So I stamped the trunk, and I didn't realize that the trunk was in the greenery as well. And then I went ahead and stamped it in that brown, and then came back in with some more greenery to kind of blend it out. I'm going to take the outline again, and I wiped most of it off and flipped it around. So that gave me that extra side to the pumpkin. And then I'm gonna come in with a stripey brush and kind of finish it out, because I thought it would be easier to just go ahead and fill this in instead of wiping it off. You don't see the shimmery background, but it's towards the side, so you don't really even notice it. And then I'm coming in with that same brush and doing the little hash marks down, because I think this adds a really good touch to kind of tie in that black as well on this nail. So we have black on every nail as well. So I'm taking flat matte because I think these are gonna look awesome in matte. And then I give this a full cure, let it cool down, put cuticle oil, wipe the cuticle oil off because it's matte. But I do think I show you both. So thank you guys so much for watching. Go ahead and give this video a thumbs up and subscribe. See you in the next one. Bye-bye.